Myself, Dr. Anand Bhageria. I am Senior Consultant Urologist. I am working in AMRC Park Hospital, Jaipur. I am doing robotic surgery regularly after installation of SSI Mantra robotic system in our hospital. We definitely see that the complication rate is very less with the robotic system because the robotic arm is very stable, and so intraoperative complication rate is very less with the robotic surgery. SSI Mantra is very surgeons friendly as well as it is very useful for patient safety. The surgery with the SSI Mantra is very handy, and we can do surgery with very high precision. So the complication rate is very low after the surgery, and the recovery of the patient is very fast. We are very comfortable with the system because the system is very surgeons friendly, and the whole OT team is also aware of the system. So we are using very easily this system, and the installation of the robot as well as docking is very easy in this system. So when we are using this, we are very comfortable, and we perform different urological surgery regularly with this system. As we all know that the laparoscopy surgery is regularly done in whole of the country in India, but the robotic is the one step ahead because with the using of robotic system, we can see that the system is become more accurate and the surgery is become very easy. The complication rate as well as intraoperative complications like bleeding or any other problem is become very less while we are using SSI Mantra. So it is very preferable in the future, and I think that in the future the major surgeries that is we are doing laparoscopically will be converted into the robotic assisted. As we are doing laparoscopic surgery regularly, so after training with the robotic system, the learning curve is very small, and we can use this robotic system after few days of the proper training. I think SSI Mantra is the future of surgery because it is very surgeons friendly, and the complication rate is less as well as the cost is also less. The consumable which is used in this surgery is also less costly. So, and they are also durable also. So this will, I think that it will replace all the laparoscopic system in the whole country.